line.
Yes. Yep.
Ready?
Let it rip. 3, 2, 1, go. It's over there, Mike.
Let's go get it.
Well, I don't know where that went, but there's Mason, proof that he's here.
Hey, how about we show the aftermath?
Oh, look.
Show the aftermath, 'cause that was our...
There. That was our one and only launch. Thank you for viewing today's broadcast.
That's good.